I'm Gretel. I'm here to give you a rundown on our Neotape RLA or Release Liner Adhesive on our application tape and why it's a feature that will save you heaps of time and take the stress out of your installs. The RLA adheres to the siliconized backing paper of your vinyl. This means there are no dog ears and graphics won't stick to each other, making your life easier. Your graphics can be pre-taped in the workshop, stacked and transported to install sites without the application tape sticking to the backing paper of graphics stacked above. RLA app tape is super easy to apply without tunnels, wrinkles or edge curl. You'll wonder how you ever worked without this revolutionary product. When tearing, you won't get that dreaded stringy adhesive that leaves a mess. It tears cleanly every single time. Neotape RLA is the ideal all-rounder. It lifts all types of vinyls with ease. The RLA adhesive is a great time saver. One of the points our customers love about Neotape RLA is that it comes in a wide 1370 width roll, ideal for laminating directly to your digital prints. Give Neotape NT175 a test today and make your work easier. You'll never look back.